Hi, this is Lynn, and welcome to another Persuasion Bite, bite-sized tips on persuasion that you can use right away. It seems we can't get through a day without hearing or experiencing something about polarization. Now, it's true. We have always been a people who expressed widely different opinions, and some of them more vociferously than others. Here's what's changed. There's something called social trust, our belief that strangers will abide by entrenched norms, things like honesty, integrity, and reliability. And the difference is that over the last 50 years, unlike every other democracy, social trust has declined precipitously in the US. In 1968, the American National Election Survey was done, and the results were that 56% of adults believed that most people were trustworthy. Now, 68, not a great love and peace year. There were plenty of divisions then, too. Fast forward to 2018, same survey done. The result was 31.5% of people believed that most others were trustworthy. Now, before we start pointing fingers and doing blame, shame, and justification, or just throwing up our arms and saying, this is an entrenched problem, it's just too big to change, let's not do any of that stuff because it hasn't worked. Instead, let's pay attention to how we can build social trust where we are every day in our organizations, locations, and departments. And here are 3 things you can do. First, be accountable first. Meaning, if I promised you something and I didn't deliver, I can't wait for you to come and find me. What I need to do is find you first and then say, I promised you this and I blew it, and here's when you can expect it from me. I am truly sorry for the pain that this has caused you, and this is the pain I know it's caused you, and explain that. And then say, I do not expect forgiveness for this. What I want is the opportunity to prove to you that I can be a person of my word. Here's what I'm going to do next time to make sure you get what you need. And maybe then, after I followed through and shown you I'm worthy, you can forgive me. That's the only way to build trust once we've screwed up. The second thing we can do is to ask for input and then listen. Because the thing that creates social mistrust the most is when people feel marginalized and not paid attention to. So for us to go out and seek people whom we're not hearing from regularly, either in meetings or one-on-one, and saying, I truly value your opinion. Can you tell me what you think about this or what your experience is about this or give me feedback on this? I really want to know. And then do the second part of it, which is listening for understanding rather than listening to respond, waiting for them to shut up so that you can talk. We all know the difference. Because research indicates that people believe it's more important to work with an organization where they're doing something bigger than themselves and doing good in the world than it is to get a raise. Include people and engage them. And the third thing we need to do is foster future leaders who are more interested in doing what's good and right than doing well for themselves. And we've got a bit of an uphill battle on this one. That same survey showed that people who are 65 years and older believe, 71% of them believe that most people are trustworthy. People in the 18 to 29 age group, only 40% of them believe that people are trustworthy. So once again, we have to model the behavior to build that social trust with them and recognize their efforts and support them as they build social trust with others. When you do these 3 things, you not only become the most persuasive person in the room, you become the most trustworthy person in the room and someone people want to work with and create a culture where they want to be. Thanks for watching.